Hi guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. Here on my channel, I share planning and organization tips plus so much more over on my blog, chaoticcritic.com. It's always linked in the description box. Throughout the month of December, I have been posting quite a bit over on my blog, and a lot of those posts have corresponding videos. This happens to be one of them, and it is one of my faves to date. This is my Christmas planner. This is not your ordinary Christmas planner. This is a Christmas memory keeping planner. Let's put it that way. I have tried to do December daily and I have failed. I've done it multiple times. I even had a book that I used and I'll link the video of that. It was crazy, but I've used the Traveler's Notebook. That's the most that I've dived into as far as having a Christmas planner, because when I was using the Happy Planner, December was just decked out in Christmas. The design that I had in mind for this was to take the mini Happy Planner. I wanted it small like that, but this is even a little bit smaller, but also the mini, those baby Happy Planners that they've been releasing, to turn it into something that's my own and to add what means the most to me. So starting off, as far as materials that I used, a lot of this stuff is from Dollar Tree, Hobby Lobby, Tuesday Morning, and some stuff from Target. But it's a lot of my Christmas stash, and if you guys want to see what's in my stash, I have a video on that as well. So now that you have a backstory on the idea that I had in mind in creating this planner, over on the front cover here on this plastic was actually a classic size Happy Planner cover that I cut down. Thanks to my baby sis for giving it to me, but came in handy here. And when I first started creating this, I had like this gold, it was like a glam, I was calling it my glam Christmas, but that's not me. Like, I don't want to get dressed up for Christmas. Like, you'll find me in a chunky knit sweater, chilling on the couch, watching Christmas movies all day. Like, that's what I like to do. So I wanted it to reflect me, especially since I'm putting a lot of my memories inside of here. So this sweater is from Dollar Tree. It's one of those cards with the die cut, and the foam peeled up amazing, amazing. Then I have this wood grain paper. The paper is from Hobby Lobby, Have a Cozy Christmas. And then here is my index. I created my index with some Happy Planner stickers. These circles in particular, I love their Avery labels, and I just love them so much. But if you can't get your hands on those, taking washi tape and tracing the inside will get you that perfect circle as well. So the sections that I have in here are movie list, wish list, Christmas playlist, menu, traditions, memories, in no specific order. So first up, I have my Christmas playlist, and this is just a longer piece of paper from that paper pad, and I use some labels, and then I use my Sharpie pens. And yeah, this is a die cut, this is a sticker. The die cuts and everything that I use are from Tuesday Morning, whereas whereas these darker chalkboard stickers are from Hobby Lobby. So I really like this. This is a Pear Tea Girl. I thought she'd fit perfect on this little cover, but just some of my Christmas favorites. I love Last Christmas, you know, the traditional Mariah Carey. Mariah Carey's album, the Merry Christmas album, is just so classic. NSYNC, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Luther Vandross and Darlene Love, I Listen to the Bells. Paul McCartney, Wonderful Christmas Time. But one of my favorites, y'all, is the Beef Wellington remix to Happy Holidays. I heard it in a commercial years ago, and it has been on my Christmas playlist ever since. So check that out if you haven't heard it. And then just some more songs over here. And then I have some more singles, but then for the songs that like came from an album, and it was so many of them, I just gave them a little more space. So like Whitney Houston, The Preacher's Wife soundtrack. And then Kirk Franklin, Christmas. I love how this page turned out, super cute. Then here, I just made this little dashboard here. Nothing crazy, but this was one of the sheets. It looks like this. And I just cut the circles out and just separated the section a little bit because I didn't want it to be the white on white. Then I have my wish list. I would love Tim's and I would love Uggs and I would like black and the regular Tim's. Like, thank you. Thanks, babe, if you're watching. Anyway, and then there's just like other stuff that I want to get. I want some camo sweats, navy handbag. WrestleMania tickets are happening, so it's just on my list, but those are definitely happening. We've been saving for that. And then I would love just some more athleisure wear, to be honest. I'm just not into like jeans and no. And then as far as my family tradition, I put it here. This bow is from Peony's Papery. And this little tag was in that Tuesday morning package. So my family traditions include putting up the Christmas tree before Thanksgiving, and then me and my boyfriend always go to the movies on Christmas. I don't know if we're going this year. Depends. See what's out. Then my next divider is memories, and this here just says 'twas the night before Christmas when all through the house not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse. And I'm not sure what I'm gonna put on the back of here yet. I might put like a collage of pictures or just decorate it. I'm not sure yet. And then here, this is what I love. So these are pictures of me and my mom on my first Christmas, and I laminated this one with the Dollar Tree self-laminating sheets. So this was laminated, and then I just punched a hole and I put the other two pictures right on top, and then on the back is a picture of me and my siblings and my grandma. So perfect place to have it inside of here. And I did not use my hole punch to punch the holes in this laminating sheet. I had to use a regular hole punch and it hurt my hand, but I made it through. And then this is just a little tidbit on my favorite Christmas album, the Mariah Carey album, because I remember when I got it as a gift, it was on cassette and I got a Walkman and I was like running around the house listening to it over and over. So good times. And then this was just my mom sitting in front of the tree. Like, I cannot believe that our tree looked like that. And then it ended up not even being here. One year it was like behind a couch, and then it ended up being in the entryway of the house, but whatever. And yeah, my grandfather would always get us these bears. I don't even know if we still have these, but my mom was like really on the bows and all that stuff. Wow, I miss her. Then we get into the holiday movies. This is what I watched in 2016. So this is what I mean by it being like a capsule collection. Just going back a couple years of what I actually have on deck of what I've seen and all that. So yeah, just a few there. And then these are all of the Netflix movies I'm interested in watching. And then here are the movies I've seen on Christmas Day. And I feel like there's more, like Ali and Django, like there has to be another one. I'll have to ask my boyfriend because I really don't remember. Then I have this 12 Days of Christmas sticker sheet that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I just added it inside of here, and then 5 golden rings, and I put a fun fact. This is one of the most annoying Christmas songs to me, so I get a kick out of it. And then over here, this is just the rest, and this is another Peony's Papery bow. Then my favorite treat, this was a printable that I got last year, and this paper is also from Hobby Lobby, and I just took the shipping label from Dollar Tree, and I just wrote favorite treats with my Sharpie, and also my Sharpie on there. That's that. And then 'tis the season. This is what I mean by like taking those little tags and just punching holes and just adding more texture. And then this is the winter bucket list. I don't know how I feel. It's really, really bland, so I'm gonna need to add some extra stuff to it. And then I left space for this Christmas, from the gifts that I received to just the memories of being with my family. Snap a couple pictures of my nephews and pop them inside of here. And then on the very back cover, I have another pocket, which eventually I could put a photo in here, but for now it holds my washi samples. And that is that. That is my Christmas planner, and I'm so happy with how it turned out. This is the other bow that I didn't have on here. Okay, there we go. And this is also a peonies papery bow. So yeah, that's it. Everything is just so cute. Like, I'm so in love with this. It turned out really, really good in my opinion. So let me know if you guys have a Christmas memory planner or Christmas planner of any sort in the comment section below. Again, be sure to check out my blog, chaoticcritic.com. It's always linked in the description box. And to catch up with me on a daily basis, head on over to my Instagram at chaoticcritic. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to hit that subscribe button and share with a friend, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!